Hey y'all, it's your girl Glitz. Thanks for tuning in back to my channel. So today we are doing a hair tutorial. I don't do too many of those. First of all, if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. For y'all, if I look kind of dry in the faces because I'm in between videos right now. So I just did my base makeup for the tutorial that I'm about to do. Not sure how I'm going to upload my videos, but yeah, I'm doing a lot of videos today and it's kind of meshing in with each other. So yeah, just don't mind my makeup right now. It's in the process. It's not done. Anyway, back to this video. So today I just did this, wash and go hair routine for this Unice Brazilian curly hair. So I hope y'all like it. Thumbs up if you do, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. If you are anything like me, your hair will look something like this after a long day. I'm just kidding, y'all. Anyway, so first, what you want to do if your hair does look like this is to dampen it just a little bit. All we're doing here is just getting the hair able to move and all that stuff so we can brush it through. So I'm using my dimming brush right here. Yeah, make sure you get all the hair out before you get started. And I'm starting from the ends as you would do your real hair and then work your way up. This is just the easiest way to do it. And yeah, you see right here I'm very tired because it's a lot of hair. So do the same thing to the other side, and mine just kind of sped through. You get the picture though. So next what you want to do is drown your hair. Drown it with some water. It's easier. See, what I usually do, I'm not doing it on camera, is I take my wig off and I put it underneath the bath water thingy, whatever. So it's just a lot of water coming down at once instead of me spraying using the spray bottle, because the spray bottle takes forever. But yeah, make sure you just dampen it all the way, and then your curls will be back popping. And do the same thing to the other side. And as you can see, it looks a lot better than it did before already. But to get those curls defined, we're going to take some conditioner. Yeah, get all the stray pieces out first and then use your conditioner. So yeah, you just want to put a little bit. Okay, yeah, be kind of careful. But yeah, put a little bit in your hand and rub it through. Rake it through. I wasn't doing this in no specific way. And then for the next product, you want to do the same thing. Put a little bit. I'm adding on maybe 3 or 4 layers of products. So that's why I'm only doing a little bit of each one. If you only have one of these products, then do that. But these products, they serve different purposes. So the conditioner, it helps revive the curls. And then the smoothie helps soften the curls, because the conditioner can be a little, harsh sometimes. And the next product is going to be even harsher, but I needed to define the curls, which is this Eco Styler Gel. I'm only using this, I'm trying to focus it at the top of my head so that the curls won't be really frizzy. I don't mind the bottom being frizzy, but I really want the top of my head to be very defined. And now to get all those products, meshed together, I'm going to brush the hair through. And at this point, you will kind of see the curls gather together. That's why I love using the dimming brush, or you can use just a powder brush you got at the house. And I didn't wet it enough in the back, so I'm just respraying, and then I'm going to brush it through again. And I'm starting at the ends and going all the way up to the roots. And using the dimming brush also gathers the curls on the ends too, so it makes them look really bouncy and stuff. And now right here, I'm just scrunching it through, and that's basically all you gotta do. And sometimes I take my wig off so it can air dry, but don't touch it after this, and you'll be good to go.
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Curls are pretty defined. This will be my last review on the Unice curly hair. Overall, I would give it a thumbs in the middle. Only because they, like I said in my first video, they kind of false claiming with the Brazilian curly hair, but I can definitely tell it's a mixture of some synthetic or something here. Usually I do this maybe once a week when I'm adding all those products in there. If not, I'm just taking a spray bottle and just refreshing each day. Like every day I have to put some type of water in it for it to look presentable. This, I can definitely tell this wig is not an everyday type of wig. Like, I kept on running to the it wasn't looking good with certain outfits type of deal. So this weekend I'm taking my grad picture, so I'm switching over to my blonde wig. So I'll probably put this back on when I go to Miami later this month. But hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel so you can be ready for the next video. And I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.
I'm the only lady here, still the realest nigga in the room. I break the internet top 2 and I ain't number 2.